I've been chasing the story of the horrific murder of Brandon Tevlin. He was killed allegedly by the self-proclaimed jihadist Ali Muhammad Brown, shot 10 times through the passenger window of his grandfather's SUV. The new information that we have is that one of the accomplices of Ali Muhammad Brown, Eric Williams, who was just 1 year younger than Brandon Tevlin, has been released. The state had put Eric Williams' bail at $1 million, but his attorney argued that it should be cut in half, reduced to $500,000, and when that was presented, the prosecution did not fight it. They just let Eric Williams walk out of jail. Also, what we found out is that despite the national attention that the murder of Brandon Tevlin has gotten, there has still been no indictment for his murder. So, shocked and confused by all this, I spoke to former Morris County prosecutor Bob Bianchi.
You know, I don't know what the prosecution's thinking. I don't have access to all their data and all their files. However, bail is supposed to be there to ensure the presence of a defendant at trial. When people are saying that they don't know where he is, I'm not certain if that's an accurate statement. There are significant, when people are put on bail for significant charges like this, there's significant monitoring of these defendants to ensure that they don't flee the jurisdiction.
So I found out from the prosecutor's office that they're actually dealing with another charge that Ali Muhammad Brown is facing, which is a charge of robbery, before they're dealing with the charge of Brandon Tevlin's murder. So I asked former prosecutor Bob Bianchi, why are they focusing on that case where no one was killed versus the case of Brandon Tevlin?
As a prosecutor, you want to be able to charge the person. There's nothing that's taking away from the Brandon Tevlin case by investigating the robbery case and bringing charges. And of course, the more charges you can bring, the more power there is to the prosecutor in the negotiation process.
What I think the public's going to have a hard time digesting, because I'm certainly having a hard time with it, how do you let one of these alleged accomplices free? And for context for everyone, where is he?
That's the thing. We don't know where he is. And the public wasn't really alerted that he was out of jail in the first place.
If the judge sets bail for him to meet and he meets it, it is his right as an American to go free. He is innocent until proven guilty in front of the court of law.
It sounds like an egregious mistake on the part of the judge to lower the bail and for the prosecution not to follow it up and push it up.
I reached out to Brandon Tevlin's family, and they choose not to make a comment at this point. We're going to put the link on our Facebook page. They're still raising funds for the lacrosse field at Seton Hall Prep.
God bless them, and our thoughts and prayers are with them for having dealt with such a horrific tragedy.